Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of top 9 coolest gadgets for photographers. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, these gadgets are sure to level up your photography game. So let's jump right into our list. 9. Panasonic Lumix G9H. The Lumix G9H is the best micro four thirds camera we tested. Its sensor goes toe-to-toe with larger format competitors in picture quality, while its huge lens library gives creators plenty of flexibility. A stabilized sensor, 10-bit 5.7K 60 video capture, and a sturdy all-weather build make it a good choice for video, location, and outdoor use. We also like the revamped autofocus system that integrates phase detection pixels for high-speed capture with subject tracking. The Micro Four Thirds system makes sense for photographers who prefer to carry a lighter overall kit. Yes, the G9H is built around a full-frame chassis, but it's still light at 1.4 pounds and balances well with a lot of compact lenses from Panasonic, Ando System, and others. It's also great for hybrid creators thanks to its excellent video toolkit. 8. UH Combo Lens Hood. The UH Combo Lens Hood serves as a perfect replacement for polarizing filters and lens hoods since it allows you to take photos without any reflections. Besides, you won't need to buy lens hoods of different sizes since it's compatible with 50mm and bigger lenses. The lens hood was made of soft material, which makes it perfect when it comes to minimizing light leaks and reflections. It's easy to clean. You can put it in a compact microfiber bag to protect it from possible damage while traveling. The UH is a flexible silicone cone. Attach it to the front of your lens and then push it against the window. It will block all the glare and reflection from unwanted lights. The advantage of the ultimate lens hood against other systems like a lens skirt is the flexibility of how you can use it. You don't need to attach anything to the glass. The silicone lens hood is attached to your lens and therefore makes it easy to move from one spot to another. Also, because of its flexible construction, you can use it on all kinds of glass which is not perfectly flat, and you still can stop the disruptive ambient light from creating unwanted reflections. 7. Narbox Backup Device. Whether you're a working pro who uses a camera to pay for the roof over your head or a serious shutterbug on the trip of a lifetime, the same fear hangs over your head, losing your images before you can get them home safely. Memory cards can be lost or stolen, and while most cameras have Wi-Fi and can copy images to a smartphone, it's not a good solution if you're shooting high-resolution RAW shots. The Narbox, $399.99 for 256 gigabytes, $299.99 for 128 gigabytes, is a ruggedized, battery-powered SSD controlled via a smartphone, which can back up photos without the need for a computer. It's worth a look if you're traveling without a laptop, but is more expensive than a simple portable drive. It measures 1 by 5.4 by 3.4 inches HD and weighs about a pound. The drive is housed in a rugged enclosure which protects the internal hardware from dust, splashes, and drops. 6. Peak Design Capture Lens Kit. The Capture Lens is an innovative lens-carrying device that pairs with the Peak Design Capture Clip quick-release system. I've reviewed the Capture Clip in the past and found it to be very useful when you want to have fast access to a camera. This Capture Lens device allows you to have just as fast access to 1 or 2 lenses, and should be of particular interest to event and wedding photographers where carrying a big bag of additional gear all day is usually not at all practical. The Capture Lens allows you to attach a couple of lenses at the same time, although you'll find that this is only practical if both lenses are quite small. When using the Capture Clip with a camera, I found that it worked really well on the shoulder strap of a backpack, but this makes much less sense when you use the Capture Lens with it. 5. Covered Lens Cap. There is one detail overlooked with cameras: its protection for the body and lens. The included ones do the job, but when it comes to organization, greater general use, alternatives like the covered Universal Lens Caps 1.0 may convince you to upgrade. The lens cover does even better at replacing generically branded lens caps that do little to protect the lens from the elements outdoors. These are weatherproof and versatile beyond a simple lens cap. Organize your collection, make your workflow efficient, and do away with incumbent accessories that hold you down. The Covered Lens Cap 1.0 offers good lens and lens body protection, even if it's a little clunky to work with. 4. 3D Hero System. GoPro 3D Hero System Review. Find out what real snowboarders think of the new GoPro 3D Hero System by reading the latest and most in-depth customer reviews online. What better way to research your next camera accessories than to read the pros and cons from actual customers who have bought and used the product for themselves? You can see all of the latest verified customer reviews for the GoPro 3D Hero System on the Snowboard Asylum website by clicking the button below. As well as creating our own reviews for the latest snowboarding products, we also spend hours searching the internet for the latest verified customer reviews for new snowboards, snowboarding equipment, and clothing. Part of the Snowboard Reviews team's research for the GoPro 3D Hero System review. 3. Wacom Intuos Tablet. Like the Wacom Intuos Pro Paper Edition, $542.89 at Amazon. The Wacom Intuos Pro Creative Pen Tablet is a graphics tablet with a writing surface but no screen, responsive to an included pen stylus, as well as gesture-based finger commands, where gestures and pen strokes are mapped to your computer's screen or monitor, so you can draw, edit photos, and perform other actions and see the results almost immediately. Like a t-shirt, it comes in 3 sizes: small, $249.95, medium, $379.95, and large, $499.95. We tested the small version, model PTH 460, which proves itself an inexpensive, highly portable device for artists, photographers, and designers. It's a good choice as a graphics tablet for use with a laptop, especially for mobile use where your working space may be at a premium. 2. Levitating Creative Tool. The Levitating CT $549 is an intriguing, albeit pricey, add-on for photographers, videographers, musicians, and others who work in creative applications. It mixes physical dials and keys with programmable touch functions, delivering a powerful, extensible control experience. It's a better fit for workstations than for mobile editors, but can certainly improve your workflow. The asking price is steep. The Levitating CT offers functionality that competing products don't quite match, which might make it worth the price or entry for you. The Levitating CT is the second major hardware design from the company. It's a desktop console, not one for mobile editing, with a footprint that's a bit bigger than Apple's second-generation Magic Trackpad, and a lot smaller than the original Levitating keyboard. 1. Lensbaby Composer Pro 2. Lensbaby, once known only for its selected focus tilting camera lenses, has worked to diversify its offerings over the past few years with new designs like the circular fisheye, $357.16 at Amazon, the Velvet 56, $449.95 at B&H Photo Video, and even a line of add-on lenses for mobile phones. All of these products are true to the company's roots, capturing the world with an artistic brush that's much different than standard offerings from Canon and Nikon. The new Composer Pro 2, $399.95 with Edge 50 optic, which is essentially a more solidly built Composer Pro, shows that Lensbaby remains committed to its core product line. The Pro G2 is our editor's choice for RDSLR lenses, sharing the honors with its predecessor, which is still available for sale. The size of the Composer Pro 2, $399.95 at B&H Photo Video, varies based on which version you get. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets for photography. Which one are you most excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Until next time, happy shooting!